Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Ford Focus SE. Stock number is A6139. Starting right away up front, you have nice chrome accents here in the grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Taking a look at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Seats are very clean all the way throughout. There's no rips or stains on any of the seats. All very clean in the back as well. We're going to take just one more look down the passenger side, and then we're going to swing around to the back end. You have a rear backup camera on the back. Taking a look in the trunk, there's a 60-40 split on the back seats, so you can fold those down. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 here in Fond du Lac. Taking a look inside, you have your cruise, audio, and Bluetooth controls all mounted here to the steering wheel. Full stereo, that includes a CD player. You have your climate controls here and an automatic transmission. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Focus on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.